Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How about you?
Amazing, amazing. And how did your day go? How is your festival going on?
Yeah, it's going on great. And my day was all about rock ragas and music. Actually, I was enrolled in a minor course department. Vocal. It is related to vocal,
Okay.
and yeah, I'm doing this course, and they have given some tasks to us. We were supposed to sing that tasks. So yes, and externals have completed, and yeah, these internal tasks are yet to be completed. So I'm working on that all the day
Oh, so you
on
like
that on
singing?
that task. Um, yes, ma'am, but I'm not I'm not practicing consistently.
Okay, okay. So, have you been practicing from long? Do you aspire to become a singer? Is that why you're taking training, or because you like it?
I like it. I like singing, and I like singing for myself, not for everybody, because yeah, that's yes.
Okay, okay. So, what type of songs do you sing? Do you sing? You told me that you were listening to the ragas and the bhajans. Was it like for festival? Do you like that sort of music?
Yes, ma'am. Carnatic music.
Ah, Carnatic classical.
Classical Hindustani and
Mm,
um, English songs as well, pop
mm.
songs.
I like it too. I like when people play the veena because it's so difficult. But I
Yes,
love listening to it. Like it's too beautiful.
yes, it's ecstatic while we are listening to Veena songs. And do
Yeah,
you know one? I mean, she's Veena Srivani. Do you know her, ma'am?
I am not sure. Okay, tell me about
Okay.
her.
Yeah. Actually, she has been making many videos with Veena. Songs, English songs on Veena. She has been playing all the types of songs, English songs, Hindi songs, Telugu, Tamil, all the songs on Veena. And
Okay, okay. I'm going to try to check her out because I really like exploring
Veena
different
Srivani.
talents. Okay, okay, okay. I'm going to watch the session, and if I forget the name, I will watch and. Sorry.
Okay. You're also a piano player. You're a
Violin. I play the violin.
sorry,
Yeah. That's
sorry.
why that's why I like the veena because veena is also a string instrument. So it sounds good to me. These string instruments like guitar, violin, veena. Um, yeah, it's good.
Yes.
It's good and it's so heavy. So I keep wondering how they do this. So yeah. Okay. Okay.
How's your
It's going really good. Festivals, so I really like all festivals because I eat more. So I'm happy.
me? I'm a foodie as well.
So during your festival, what are the things that you do? Do you prepare sweets? Do you distribute it? Do you have a feast at home? Or do you burst crackers? Or do you only pray? What do you do in your part of the village or town?
Yes, in Dr. Village we have family feasts, and yeah, I'm afraid of firing crackers.
Bursting crackers. Okay.
Yeah, bursting crackers. But my little brother is very good at. He's so passionate to burst crackers.
Okay, he's passionate about bursting crackers, or he
About
loves.
bursting
He's
crackers.
crazy about bursting crackers.
Yes, he has started bursting crackers a month ago before Diwali comes.
What, a month ago? Okay, that is
He
crazy, of course.
he is doing today also he has bursted some crackers.
When I was young, I used to.
Yes.
I used to burst a lot of crackers, and every time I would burst it with my hand, I would show off that, see, I can do this and you can't. I would have competitions like that. It was a show off, that if you can burst with your hand, oh, you're great. Uh, but now I
Yes,
don't.
ma'am. I have
Since
tried it too, but I'm afraid of. I just tried it once last year.
no, don't. I would not suggest you to do such things. Okay, but like as time has passed by, and since a lot of years I have not burst any crackers, but this year I asked my brother to get me few sparkles because I just want that light or something like that. So that's all, not much. Okay. So tell me more about your town. Okay, what sort of like, say for example, you told me you have a farm. What are the implements or the agricultural tools that are there that you know about that has made your life more easy? Say for example, 20 years back it wasn't there, and now there are tools that have made it little easy for you to work on the field. Are you aware of any such thing?
Yes, ma'am. It's tractors. Actually, yeah. In the olden days, I mean, 20 years back, also
Mhm.
they used to plow the field with the plow.
Bullocks,
I
yes, bullocks.
yeah, plows. Bullocks and oxes, but yeah, it is the tractors made it easier now. But still it is for some type of food crops. I mean, for some sort of sowing crops, we should use oxes. I mean, bullock plows.
Bullocks only.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Because they might be delicate, maybe, right? Okay. So tell me, what is the most important invention according to you? Anything can be in the field of agriculture, can be in some other thing also.
Um, Invention. This time, I mean, corona vaccine. Invention. Actually,
Okay, for example,
ma'am,
the internet.
can we call fire as an invention?
Fire is
No,
a
it's a
discovery.
I think,
Yes, because it was already
because
present,
it's
right? Okay,
in
I'll
the
give you,
nature.
yeah, I'll give you
Yes,
some examples of invention. Okay, tell me if you
light,
can't. Yes,
light
I
bulb,
can't
ma'am.
hear you.
I mean, electric bulb.
Okay, electricity.
Electric bulb, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you think
Mention.
it's the
Yeah.
most important for you?
Good. I mean, not. We can do the tasks in the night time, and we even.
Hello.
I think.
Okay, please
Can you
continue.
hear me?
Yeah, I can't see you, but please continue. Okay. Yeah, I can see you.
Okay, ma'am.
Perfect. Continue.
Yeah, because we can do the tasks in the night time, and electric bulbs. It made the world to shine even in the night times, and
Absolutely.
yeah, it made some works easy. I mean, to grinders and mixes, some all electric devices.
Mhm.
So I think electricity is on this issue.
Hello.
Hello. Hear me?
Yes. Please continue.
It's yeah. I'm done.
Okay. So if you had all the resources available with you, okay, what would you like to invent? Something that you really wish, okay, this invention will make my life really easy. What do you wish to invent?
To fly, not no, ma'am, I have no idea now. But I sorry, ma'am.
No
Yeah.
problem.
Okay,
So
damn this network issue.
Now that you're facing
Sorry
problems
for
with
the inconvenience.
no problem. Now that you're facing problems with
Yeah.
the network, don't you want to invent some sort of internet which never goes off?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Correct?
Yeah. Yeah. The problem made us think out of the box. Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
You're right. You're right. I would. Yeah. You are so smart, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So that's how inventions are made.
Oh my God.
Okay, you really need this invention, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So that's how
Yes, ma'am.
inventions are made, you know, that's how things are invented. When they face a problem of something, they try to come up with something. Okay, how do we try to tackle this problem? What do we make to make our life easy? Okay. So when you go back after the class,
Yes.
try to look around you and keep thinking, what is the problem I'm facing? What do I really want to invent? What do I wish was with me? You know, think little more so you can discuss. We all have some sort of unique ideas in our mind somewhere. We just have to knock our brain and we'll find them. Okay, so try to think.
Yes, and also I would like to invent. I mean, plastic. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, you would like to invent plastic.
Some nature. I mean, nature chemical to. I mean, to plastic to mix in the soil easily. I mean, because of the plastic, we are